ESL lesson from an ESL teacher. Please note these videos are made by an ESL teacher, not an expert English teacher. I'm here to help you learn English in a fun and accessible way. Be ready to explore the world of interjections. They're like the exclamation points of language, adding emotion and emphasis to our sentences. Think of it this way. Interjections are like the sound effects in a movie, adding a burst of excitement or surprise to the scene. While there's no strict classification system for interjections, we can group them based on the emotions they express. Ready to explore the emotional landscape of these words? Let's group them by the feelings they express. The feeling of surprise, such as wow, yay, oh, oops, whoa. The feeling of joy, awesome, great, fantastic, amazing, hooray, yay. The feeling of sadness, what a pity, alas, oh no, oh dear, that's terrible. Ouch! The feeling of anger. Grr. No! Art. For crying out loud. Ouch! The feeling of disgust. Ugh. Yish. Yuck. Pew. Ew. Yick. Agreement. Yes. Right. Same. Yeah. Sure. Okay. Disagreement. No. Nope. Humped. Uh-oh. Attention getting. Hey, look, listen. Psst. Shoo. Shh. Greeting. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Hey. Happy birthday. Happy Easter. Farewell. Goodbye. Peace out. See you later. Bye. See you soon. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you found this helpful. Subscribe for more ESL lessons.